Health is man's greatest treasure. That is why we believe that conscious consumption and smart eating habits are fundamental stepping stones in the pursuit of a balanced, happy, and harmonious lifestyle. Welcome to Vitalia. Welcome to the world of healthy food. Healthy food for healthy generations is the motto in which we firmly believe, and which has been our guiding light in building the Vitalia brand, a family company, a regional leader in healthy food production, and a proponent of healthy living for over 30 years. Producing healthy and tasty products that satisfy the needs of the contemporary client, innovating in the field of healthy living, and prioritizing excellence in quality are just some of the core values that we regard as foundational to success for more than 3 decades. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. Inspired by the evolving eating trends in Europe, in 1993, Mr. Nikola Vitachukovsky presented the idea of healthy food to the Macedonian market and founded Vitalia Healthy Food.
Пред 30 години, кога ја основавме компанијата, си поставивме неколку битни задачи. Прва беше да ќе запознаеме македонските потрошувачи со новите трендови во развојот на здравата храна, да го снабдиме пазарот во Македонија со истите и да ги едуцираме потрошувачите со корисноста и начинот на употреба на така наречената здрава функционална храна. Тогаш ретко кој веруваше дека оваа наша идеја и желба ќе успее со оглед на традиционалните навики на нашето население при исхраната и неговата поврзаност со истата. Од тие причини, веднаш започнавме со едукативни активности, издавајќи милионски тираж на лифлети, каталози, едукативни написи во сите тогашни јавни гласила. Оваа едукативна кампања трае и ден денес, но резултатите се одлични и видливи. Новите генерации веќе ги менуваат своите прехранбени навики и го менуваат својот животен стил во позитивна смисла.
The first specialized store for healthy food under the brand Vitalia was opened in 1993. In those years, promoting healthy food proved to be a serious undertaking, especially for Macedonian consumers. However, with creativity, perseverance, and unrelenting commitment, we've managed to succeed in that which many believe to be next to impossible. With time, we enriched our portfolio of original and healthy products, expanded our distribution and sales network, and could proudly stand alongside European giants that dominated our sector. Slowly but surely, and without a doubt, we have achieved our initial and most important part of our corporate strategy: make healthy food available to everyone.
Чест ми е што сум дел од оваа успешна и пред се хумана приказна уште од самите почетоци. Визионерска идеја за чија реализација се потребне многу енергија, време и посветеност. Резултатот се почита и довербата која Виталија ги ужива низ целиот свет. Започнавме со отварање на првата продавница за здрава храна и макробиотика во 1993 година, а првото производство започна 3 години подоцна со спојување на традицијата и вкусното македонско овошје во познатата линија за диет джемови и компоти.
In 2002, for the first time, we presented our brand at the first international fair in Novi Sad, Serbia, followed by our first regional export. And during the next year, we recorded one of our greatest milestones. Vitalia was officially FDA approved, which greenlit our first export to the US. The first production line for Crunchy Muesli was launched in 2005, the same year when we began with an A+ for healthy food, a self-initiated project aimed at educating the young on the importance of healthy food and conscious eating. With the introduction and acquisition of European standards for quality, such as BRC and IFS, we managed to drastically expand our export network, paving the way to new markets and a newfound demand for a larger capacity of production. In 2014, we launched our first line of functional protein products, which enriched our portfolio and accommodated a broader spectrum of clients and consumers. When COVID knocked on our doorstep, we redirected our focus on community aid and provided donations to both health and educational institutions throughout Macedonia and the Balkans. We had to reach those who were most affected by the pandemic and lend a helping hand to every vulnerable group of citizens. As a result of our efforts, we were officially recognized as the biggest donors for food. During the COVID pandemic in 2020, we launched our new innovative keto line of products and managed to open our new analytics laboratory for food and ingredients. In 2022, with the launch of our probiotic line, a regional first, we marked the start of our Green Initiative, a long-term plan to reduce our carbon footprint and replace our existing production processes with ecologically friendly solutions. As our first step towards a greener future, we installed a photovoltaic system covering the whole surface of our main building's roof. Finally, on our 30th anniversary, we started a new and wonderful annual tradition, the first ever Vitalia Kids Race. We move forward to new heights and new challenges. Vitalia grew into a company with a clear vision and great ambitions for the future, to be a global healthy food production brand, striving to improve its consumers' eating habits and pave the way to a healthier and happier lifestyle.
Денес Виталија е хаб за иновации во здравата храна, каде се спојуваат најновите идеи од аспект на технологија, рецептури и состојки. Секторот за истражување и развој е составен од врвни нутриционисти и технолози, кои се секојдневно мотивирани во збогатување на понудата со нешто ново, иновативно и креативно. Резултатите се извонредни. Овој сектор развива преку 100 рецептури годишно. Токму затоа денес богатото портфолио на Виталија брои преку 800 оригинални производи кои опфаќаат 11 категории на здрави продукти.
We are present on 5 continents and in more than 60 countries around the world, in the EU, the US, the Arab Emirates, Mauritius, Brazil, Africa, and so on. As an authentic Macedonian brand, we regularly participate in world-renowned international food fairs, Anuga, PLMA Amsterdam, SIAL Paris, and our products under the Vitalia Made in Macedonia brand are on the shelves of some of the most popular supermarkets and online stores around the world, such as Walmart, Aldi, Spar, Metro, Consum, and many others. The quality of our products is affirmed with the acquisition and implementation of the most distinguished international food safety standards. Naturally, with a fresh entry into a new market comes the obligation to acquire the specific standard for that market, such as kosher, halal, vegan, and organic.
Виталија е прва компанија за производство на здрава храна во Македонија, која се стекнува со високо реномираниот сертификат BRC од Велика Британија, како и интернационалниот стандард за квалитет AFS. Тоа е доказ за посветеноста на вработените кон создавање на врвни, квалитетни, безбедни производи. Со цел одржување на високо ниво на квалитет и безбедност на производите, во 2022 година ја отворивме првата собствена аналитичка лабораторија со најнова опрема сместена во нов модерен објект. Следи нејзина акредитација согласно барањата на стандардот ISO 17025, со што ќе ги понудиме лабораториските услуги и кон други компании.
Vitalia has a dominant market share and is the undisputed leader in the healthy food category, both in Macedonia and the region. By implementing modern distribution models and practices, we've managed to provide and maintain full availability of our products. In addition to our top-of-the-line distribution network, we nurture and develop our chain of local retail stores, as well as an ever-growing online store built in accordance with the latest web development tools and e-commerce standards.
Приказната која започна со една продавница за макробиотичка храна од 9 метри квадратни, израсна во компанија во која 200 вработени од околу 1200 различни состојки во 6 погони на 12 производни линии произведува околу 9000 тони готов производ годишно. Иновациите на нашиот тим за развој на нови производи ги реализираме со инвестиции во нови, модерни технологии што ни гарантираат производство на производи со највисок квалитет. Инвестициите во автоматизација на производните процеси Целосната дигитализација на административните процеси, како и инвестициите во обновливи извори на енергија, ни овозможија намалување на трошоците, а со тоа конкурентна цена на нашите производи на светскиот пазар.
With the introduction of the just-in-time principle and by continuously optimizing our supply chains, we can guarantee short delivery times to our customers. By investing in the education of our staff, which includes the use of the most modern digital tools and IT technologies, allows us to efficiently manage every process of our production lines, plan and realize accordingly, and finance all investments within the company's development plan with our own funds. As a socially responsible company, Vitalia is focused on promoting a healthier lifestyle, a greener environment, and a society that is aware of what it eats. We have fully committed to that cause by organizing nationwide campaigns for raising awareness on sugar intake reduction, publishing over 6,000 educational texts, supporting several hundred sports events, and maintaining Vitalia's Health Club, a specialized team of nutritionists that clears up any dilemmas our customers might have. Our An A for Healthy Food project managed to cover more than 1,000 children and 100 schools across the country, and our team of expert nutritionists has been introducing the world of healthy eating habits to our young for more than 10 years. In 2023 alone, we've held more than 50 workshops and organized visits to our facilities so that children can get directly acquainted with their favorite healthy products. In 2023, we organized the first ever Vitalia Kids Race, in which more than 1,500 children took part. We plan to host this event every year and effectively make it a tradition both for us and our youngest clients, continuing with our mission that gives us great joy and satisfaction to create healthy food for healthy generations.
Нашиот најголем успех е позитивната промена на прехранбените навики кај конзументите. Додека пред повеќе од 20 години здравата храна беше непозната, денес со задоволство и гордост можеме да кажеме дека здравата исхрана и здравите производи на Виталија редовно се присутни во потрошувачката кошница на македонскиот граѓанин. Горди сме на високото ниво на доверба и партнерство со клиентите и со работниците и постојано градиме и негуваме највисоки стандарди на деловна соработка. Од тука воопшто не е изненадувачки фактот што нашата компанија секоја година бележи двоцифрен раст на приходите. Признание за довербата на потрошувачите ни се бројни награди и признанија. Супер бренд, Best Buy, тоа е фер со потрошувачите, Stu бренд, како и сертификатот Куда.
In recognition of our continuous efforts and investments in the community, in 2013, the city of Skopje awarded us with the prestigious 13th of November Award, an award that we proudly hold close to our heart. By following world trends and fostering the highest level of corporate responsibility, we are fully committed to implementing sustainable energy sources, where solar energy is increasingly driving our production facilities. 500 kilowatts in photovoltaic panels, 120 kilowatts in geothermal pumps, and the new energy-efficient facade are only one segment of our plan to convert to green energy. Inclusiveness and gender equality are a confirmation of the company's modern and progressive approach, where every individual is valued according to their qualities and abilities, regardless of their gender, age, or nationality. What's next? We keep on growing. We continue to stand side by side with the largest global manufacturers in our sector. We will continue to create innovative products that will dominate the health food industry. We will focus on sustainable solutions in every segment of our work and continue to inspire the community towards social responsibility and healthy eating habits. By 2030, we will reduce greenhouse gas emissions across the entire supply system. We will transition to biodegradable packaging and create a fleet of electric vehicles. Additionally, we've dedicated ourselves to completely digitalizing and automatizing our processes, while reducing our dependence on conventional energy and transitioning to greener alternatives in full. 3 decades ago, we set a challenging goal for ourselves to build a culture of healthy living. Today, with 30 years of experience and expertise, we are successfully paving the way for the nutritional transition of the modern consumer. We remain true to the values of our brand and our noble mission, creating healthy food for healthy generations.